You ever look at your car and think, it's good, but it could be more? Faster, meaner, louder, more you. Today, we're taking one of the purest driver's cars, the Toyota GR86, and turning it from a quiet commuter into a full-blown road demon. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you're going to see exactly how just a few smart mods can wake up your car's true soul. The problem with stock. Now, don't get me wrong, the GR86 is incredible straight out of the box. Lightweight, manual, rear-wheel drive. It's everything enthusiasts have been begging for. But the truth is, it feels a little tame, a little too civilized. It needs more bite. The stance is polite, the exhaust is whisper quiet, and the wheels? Let's just say Toyota left plenty of room for you to make this car yours. Our goal? Build a GR86 that looks aggressive enough to turn heads at a car meet, but still drives so clean you could keep it a daily drive. This isn't about ruining what makes the GR86 special, it's about amplifying it. We want something that screams track weapon without losing its street car DNA. Step 1. Wheels plus suspension. First, let's get that stance right. We swapped the stock wheels for 18-inch Volk TE 37s. The kind of wheels that signal you didn't just go shopping online, you chose performance. Then we dropped it with a set of KWV3 coilovers, giving us control over height and damping. Lower center of gravity, sharper handling, instant attitude. It's not just for looks. You're going to feel every inch of that improved response in the corners. Step 2. Aerodynamics plus body kit. Next, we needed aggression, so we added an APR performance front splitter, side skirts, and a rear ducktail spoiler. Not only does it slice through the air cleaner, it looks like it could eat slower cars alive. Form meets function. Every piece has a job. Downforce, stability, pure flex, and let's be honest, parking it just got a whole lot more satisfying. A car that looks aggressive changes how people interact with it on the road. Drivers move over, heads turn, and it starts to feel like you're commanding attention without even trying. Step 3. Exhaust, giving it a voice. Now let's be honest, a car like this deserves to roar, not whisper. So we installed an HKS high-power Spec L exhaust, titanium tips, lightweight piping. The result? Pure symphony. Every gear shift pops, every throttle blip cracks. It doesn't just drive faster, it feels alive. And if you're daily driving it, this is the kind of soundtrack that turns every commute into a mini track session. Plus, that aggressive tone builds confidence. It makes you feel like you're driving something special, even when you're just headed to the store. Enjoying the build? Make sure to leave a like. Hit that subscribe button and let us know in the comments which car you want us to build next. All right, let's continue. Step 4. ECU Tune, unlock hidden power. To tie it all together, we tuned the ECU with an Acutec race ROM. Sharper throttle, no more annoying torque dip, even launch control and flat foot shifting if you want to get wild. This tune doesn't just wake the car up, it gives it a new personality. Angry, responsive, always ready. You start to feel connected to the car in a way that stock just doesn't deliver. And the best part? Every time you get in the driver's seat, it feels like it's waiting for you to push harder. Step 5. Braking the right way. More power means you need more stopping power. We installed a StopTech Big Brake Kit, slotted rotors, stainless steel lines, aggressive pads. Now, whether you're bombing canyons or tracking it, you're stopping on a dime every time. That confidence in the pedal? It makes you a faster driver without even trying. You can dive into corners harder, brake later, and know your car is going to have your back every time. Plus, let's be real. Big brakes behind fresh wheels just look fast. Step 6. Interior transformation. Inside, we brought in some race car flavor without killing comfort. Alcantara steering wheel for grip, custom shift knob for weight and feel, red-stitched Recaro bucket seats. Because when the outside looks mean, the inside better match the energy. It feels like you're sitting in something special, because you are. Even the small touches like red seat belts, a shift light, or a digital boost gauge can elevate the cabin from basic to bespoke. Your car becomes your cockpit, and you feel ready to drive every time you sit down. Bonus touch, a hidden weapon. And here's a secret weapon most people forget. We swapped the stock battery for an anti-gravity lightweight lithium battery. Dropped almost 20 pounds off the nose. Better balance, faster turn-in, and just one more edge you can feel in every corner. Small details like this separate a good build from a dialed build. This is the kind of upgrade that never shows up on Instagram, but any serious driver will feel the difference on every drive. The transformation reveal. Same car, same bones, but now it looks, sounds, and drives like a completely different animal. This is what the GR86 was meant to be. Why this matters. See, building a car isn't just about going faster. It's about telling the world who you are without saying a word. It's about taking something great and making it yours. The GR86 is the blank canvas. The masterpiece, that's up to you. Whether you're building it to track, to flex, or just to feel more alive behind the wheel, there's nothing like shaping a car into a reflection of your passion. Because cars aren't just transportation. They're therapy, they're freedom, and for some of us, they're art. Drop a comment below. What's the first mod you would do to your dream GR86? Hit that like button if you love clean builds and subscribe, because this is just the beginning.